time, it moves forward. Always. Tick, tick, tick. But here's the thing, physics doesn't care. In the microscopic world, the laws are mostly symmetrical. They don't prefer forward. Think about it. That's not an answer. That's just repeating words. Yet your life, your memories, your universe, all scream forward. Here's where it gets strange. In the 19th century, physicists like Clausius noticed something called entropy. Simply put, things naturally move from order to disorder. Ice melts, eggs scramble, stars burn out. Entropy always increases. That's not a suggestion. It's a relentless arrow. Think about it. Let's rewind history for a moment. Imagine a Victorian scientist in a lab, noting how heat spreads from hot to cold. He couldn't see atoms directly, but he sensed the universe pushing forward. Heat doesn't go backward. Eggs unscramble themselves. Stars unburn. That's entropy whispering, forward, always forward. Now, let's introduce a genius, Richard Feynman. He adored quantum mechanics, particles, the bizarre world of the very small. Think about it. At that scale, time looks reversible. Electrons don't care about yesterday. They hop forward, backward, sideways, almost laughing at our macroscopic obsession with before and after. Here's your first big reveal. The arrow of time isn't fundamental. Not really. It emerges from entropy, from statistics, from countless particles interacting. Alone, a single particle could, in theory, reverse. But billions? Trillions? Chaos ensures forward motion. That's not destiny, it's math, relentlessly cruel. This should break your brain. If every particle obeys reversible laws, why can't you unspill coffee? Why can't memories run backward? Think about it. Physics at the smallest scales says it's possible. Reality says no. Somewhere between quantum freedom and macroscopic reality, the arrow emerges. And that's exactly where Feynman smiled, knowingly. Analogies help. Imagine a sandcastle on the shore. The waves come in, destroy it. Will it rebuild itself perfectly? No. The castle grains obey gravity and motion, reversible at tiny scales. Yet the countless grains interacting with waves make the reconstruction statistically impossible. Entropy is brutal. Forward is inevitable. Think about it. Here's where history meets thought experiments. Ludwig Boltzmann proposed that entropy is statistical. The universe favors disorder because there are more ways for things to be messy than orderly. That's not a rule, that's probability. Think about it. Your desk might look tidy for a second. Chaos wins eventually, always. Feynman diagrams depict particles dancing through space-time. Paths forward, paths backward, loops, annihilations. None cares about macroscopic time. Here's where it gets strange. The same equations could run backward and look identical. Yet when we observe, the universe picks forward. Why? Chaos and entropy. This should break your brain even more. Imagine reversing every particle in your body at this instant. Theoretically possible. You'd walk backward in time. Memories rewinding, words unsaid, breaths inhaling from smoke. But in reality, one interaction with air molecules destroys this delicate symmetry. The arrow of time is statistical tyranny. Think about it. Entropy isn't just abstract. Real experiments prove it. Gas expanding into a vacuum never spontaneously contracts. Heat flows from hot to cold. Broken glasses don't self-assemble. Countless experiments, from steam engines to particle physics labs, confirm this brutal arrow. That's physics telling you, forward is not optional. Think about your own life. Memories, aging, growth, decay. All macroscopic arrows point forward. You remember breakfast, not tomorrow's toast. You grow older, not younger. Entropy touches everything. That's why physics, philosophy, and human experience converge. Time moves forward because the universe statistically demands it. Here's a mind-bender: black holes. Time near a black hole slows dramatically, almost freezes. Yet far away, forward motion continues. Entropy still grows. Hawking radiation ensures disorder increases, even at cosmic extremes. Even where time warps, entropy drives the arrow. Think about it. Forward is universal, unavoidable. Thermodynamics, probability, quantum chaos, relativity all point to the same truth. Forward is inevitable. But here's the emotional kicker. Forward also gives life meaning, choice, memory, consequence. Without the arrow, existence would collapse into meaningless symmetry. That's why we feel time, why Feynman marveled, why you're alive now. Imagine the universe as a story. Forward is the plot. Entropy writes the chapters. Chaos decides the twists. You're reading now, aware of past, present, future. That's not just narrative, that's physics. Time only moves forward because the universe statistically, brutally, and beautifully insists on it. Think about it. Even at the smallest scale, reversibility exists. But life emerges from complexity, and complexity ensures direction. That's entropy again, whispering the same message across every scale. From quarks to galaxies, from thoughts to oceans, the forward arrow persists. That's not theory, it's reality. Statistical, merciless, and strangely poetic. Think about the psychological aspect. We remember the past, not the future. Our brains encode experiences in one direction. Memories are like little entropy snapshots, forever moving forward. That's why nostalgia hurts and anticipation excites. Physics doesn't mandate emotion, but it sculpts our perception, making forward time feel inevitable. Now consider cosmic evolution. Stars burn, galaxies collide, black holes merge, entropy rises. Even as new order appears, star systems forming, planets emerging, the net disorder grows. Forward motion isn't just local, it's universal. Every cosmic event obeys the statistical arrow. That's Feynman-level insight. Scale doesn't matter. Here's where it gets philosophical. Forward time gives causality meaning. Cause precedes effect. Without it, prediction fails, science collapses. The arrow of time isn't just physics, it's the skeleton of reality. That's why understanding entropy isn't optional. That's why Feynman marveled. That's why your life and mine marches forward. Finally, emotional closure. Time moves forward. You age, you love, you lose, you hope. That forward arrow is brutal, beautiful, inevitable. Physics says so, statistics confirm it, your experience proves it. Think about it. In a universe capable of symmetry, we are alive to witness asymmetry. And that's a miracle wrapped in math.